Okay, see this question number 18 from chapter 26 of H.C. Verma. Figure shows the variation in the internal energy with volume V of 2 mole of an ideal gas in a cyclic process ABCDA. The temperatures of the gas at B and C are 500 Kelvin and 300 Kelvin. Calculate the heat absorbed by the gas during the process. Now see, the question is graph between U and volume. But we know something that U is equal to F by 2 nRT. So U is proportional to temperature. Okay. So like over here, U is constant means what? Temperature constant. Here also U constant means what? Temperature constant. So we can replace this graph with a temperature versus volume graph. Okay. Temperature versus volume. Let's draw a rectangle. Hmm. So here we have volume V naught, 2 V naught. Temperature values are given to be 500 and 300 Kelvin. So here we have 300 Kelvin. Here we have 500 Kelvin. These are the temperature and volumes. Okay. Now what does the question say? Calculate the heat absorbed by the gas during the process. Total moles is 2. N is equal to 2. Okay. So to find the total heat absorbed by the gas during the entire process. So let's name the coordinates A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Like this. So that's very easy. You just need to go step by step and find the heat and work done for each process. So from A to B, it is isothermal process. So Q is given by nRT ln VB by VA. Okay. So N is 2 and temperature is 500 Kelvin. Temperature is 500 Kelvin. So I can write down 2 into 500. So 1000 R ln VB by VA will be 2. Okay. Then from B to C, it is isochoric process, right? So for isochoric process, how do you calculate heat? Q will be NCV delta T, right? N is known, delta T is known, but CV is not known. Okay, CV is what? F by 2 R into delta T. So we know R, we know delta T, we know N, but we don't know the degree of freedom because the type of gas is not mentioned. So what to do? So there's one more method to solve this question. We solve it using work done by the gas during the cycle. So for the entire cycle, what do we have? Delta U equal to Q minus W equal to 0 for the entire cycle. You start from this point, come back to same point, so delta U is 0. So we use this method to find the work done. है ना? Find heat. So first of all, this is also equal to W1. So W1 is 1000 R log 2. W2 will be what? 0 for isochoric process. Sorry. Isochoric process. W2 is 0. From C to D. C to D is isothermal process, right? Again, so W2 will be nRT ln VD by VC. So temperature is 300. So 300 into 2, 600 R ln 1 by 2. This is minus 600 R log 2. Okay. Again from D to A. So D to A is what? Isochoric process. So work done will be 0. Okay. Actually, I should mark this as W3 and this is W4. So heat will be what? W1 plus W2 plus W3 plus W4. This is the total heat for the entire cycle. So W1 is 1000 R log 2. 1000 R log 2. W2 and W4 are 0. W3 is minus 600 R log 2. So you just simplify this, put the value of R. So get this to be equal to 2301 joules. Okay. This is the rough answer. All right.